Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn about basics of tensor flow. We will begin by understanding data and the structure of tensor. Tensor are defined as multi-dimensional array, and these are the data types that are used in the tensor flow language. Tensor also represent the connecting edge in any flow diagram. We will talk about this later on about the nodes and edge concept in this module. Let's go to our old school and understand the data structure in the mathematical way. The first data structure we know according to mathematics is scalar. Scalar are basically a value, a simple value some assigned to any variable like a is equal to 2, 3, 18 and so on. And similarly there is a vector. Vector are basically one dimension array, that is either column matrix or a row matrix. And if you have rows and columns, those are called matrix. And if an array is more than 2 dimensions, those are called tensors. Tensors are basically a more than 2-dimensional arrays are called tensors. In TensorFlow, we call vectors as 1D tensor, matrix, which is a 2-dimensional array, are called 2D tensor, and 3-dimensional array are called 3D tensor, and so on. Basically, we can identify the tensors by 3 parameters: rank, shape, and the type. Rank is a unit of dimensionality described within the tensor. Basically, we can identify the number of dimensions in the tensor using the rank. And shape. Together, rows and columns will define a tensor. And in the Python, we have the data type, which we can identify the data type to it. Hope you understand the basic data structure of the tensor flow, like scalar, vector, matrix, and the tensor. Now let's create the tensors in the tensor flow in the next lecture. Thank you very much. In the next lecture, we'll see more about the tensor flow.